Have you ever wondered why some people feel like time is on their side, while others feel like it's running away from them? This is the story of a clockmaker who discovered that time doesn't treat everyone differently. People treat time differently. In the heart of an old town stood a tiny workshop filled with clocks. Tall clocks, pocket watches, ornate hourglasses, all ticking in different rhythms. All cared for by an elderly clockmaker named Sorren. Sorren was known for one extraordinary talent. He could repair any clock, except his own life. He moved slowly, always behind, always apologizing, always overwhelmed by the feeling that time slipped through his fingers. Across the street lived a young painter named Lisa. She had fewer years, fewer resources, fewer tools. Yet somehow, she always felt ahead. Their lives moved differently, though the clocks on their walls ticked the same. One rainy afternoon, Lisa brought a broken watch to Sorren's shop. "This stopped working yesterday," she said. Sorren examined it. "It's fine," he replied. "It simply hasn't been wound." "And whose fault is that?" she teased. Sorren smiled sadly. "Time and we don't get along." Lisa frowned. "Time doesn't choose favorites." Sorren shook his head. "Then why do some people always feel late, and others always feel aligned?" Lisa leaned closer. "Because one waits for time to behave, and the other behaves with time." Her words stayed with him. That night, Sorren walked through his workshop, listening to the countless ticking sounds. Some clocks were fast, some slow, some perfectly in rhythm. He whispered, "Why do I feel out of sync?" A soft voice answered from behind, "Because you never set your own rhythm." Sorren spun around. An old man stood there, but not just any man. He was Sorren's former teacher, appearing unexpectedly after years away. "Time is not your enemy," the teacher said. "It is your mirror." Sorren frowned. "My mirror?" "Yes. If you rush, time rushes. If you freeze, time freezes. If you act with intention, time moves with you." The teacher lifted an hourglass from the shelf. "Most people think time is a force outside them. It's not. It's shaped by what you give it." He flipped the hourglass. "What do you give your time, Sorren?" Sorren swallowed. "Worry. Hesitation. Regret." The teacher nodded gently. "And that is the rhythm your clocks follow." The next morning, Sorren changed one small thing. He focused on one task at a time. He wound a watch. Tick. He repaired a gear. Tick. He swept the floor. Tick. For the first time in years, he felt time matching him, not chasing him. Lisa visited again and gasped. "You're different," she said. "You're on time." Sorren chuckled. "I finally set my own pace." Weeks passed. Sorren grew lighter, quicker, clearer. Not because time changed, but because he stopped fighting its rhythm and started shaping his own. He visited Lisa's studio. "How do you paint so much?" he asked. She pointed at her canvas. "I give time something to work with." Months later, Sorren finished repairing the most complicated clock he had ever built. A masterpiece of gears, rings, and soft golden chimes. He placed it in the town square with a small plaque. Time doesn't change for people. People change for time. When the villagers asked what it meant, Sorren explained. Those who waste time feel hunted by it. Those who respect time feel held by it. Those who shape time feel empowered by it. And with a gentle smile, he added, time treats everyone the same. But not everyone treats time the same.